Welcome, follow me in Nothing Phone 1, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, select Network and Internet and choose Hotspots and Tethering, and then select Wi-Fi hotspot. Now the reason you want to go a little bit deeper in here, like the settings actually, because you will see the hotspot password, and by default this is just some randomly generated garbage. So let's remove this one. Now you can obviously use this password, but obviously it will be probably easier to set up your own, which is what I will be doing. Now the password does need to have at least 8 characters and a length, at which point you will be able to save it. And that's really all I would recommend changing. Although this actually might be also a thing that you might need it to actually change. So it looks like default it's set to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which if a device that you will be connecting to this hotspot with does not support 5 GHz, which happens when a device is a little bit older, then the device just simply will not see the hotspot whatsoever. It's like it won't exist to that device. So if your hotspot is enabled and you just cannot see your hotspot by this name right here, that means that the device doesn't support it, and all you need to do to fix it up is go back here, select AP band and choose 2.4, and everything should run just fine. And that's really all you want to have, or probably need to change. From here you can toggle it on. There we go. Now once you toggle it on, it also gives you a nice option right here with the QR code, so you don't actually need to find the network or use the password that you have set up. You can quickly do so by using the camera. So let me just bring up my phone and open up. There we go. So here you can open up the QR scanner. Now these different devices have it in different places, and then scan it. It automatically gets the Wi-Fi and the password, so you don't need to type in anything. Just select connect and it will connect, and it should work right away. But anyway, that is how you can enable it. And once you're done with it, it looks like you would need to toggle it off from the settings, so right here. But if you have this option enabled right here, turn off hotspot automatically. Once you stop using your hotspot, it will automatically turn off after, I don't know, 5-10 minutes or so. I'm not sure how it's set, to be honest. It doesn't really show me, so I'm guessing about 5 to 10 minutes of inactivity will turn off the hotspot. But if you want to do it yourself, just go back here and turn it off. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.